I am Musammad Fatima Johar Nafisa. I read in class 2. My madrasa's name is Jamia Abu Sufyan. Allahu Ta'ala Tajul Quran Boys and Girls Madrasa. Our Muhtabib name is Maulana Tajul Islam Qasimi. He loved us very much. He did as his own child. Our madrasa is the best madrasa. I am very proud to reading this madrasa. Now I am recite Suratul Humana with English translate. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the eternally merciful, the especially merciful. Wailul likulli humazatin lumazath. Why to every scorner and mooker? Alladhi jama'a malahu wa'addadah. Who collect wealth and continuously counts it. Yahsabu anna malahu akhradah. He thinks that his wealth will make him immortal. Kalla la yubadhanna fil hutabah. No, he will surely be thrown into the qasr. Wama adraka mal hutabah. And what can make you know what is the qasr? Narullahil muqadah. It is the fire of Allah, eternally fuel. Allati tattali'u 'ala al-af'idah, which found directed at the heart. Innaha 'alayhim mu'sadah. Indeed, hellfire will be closed down upon them. Fi 'amadin mumaddadah, in extended columns. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.